Yes, of course you're hungry. My kids are always hungry. You guys have this problem? You go to the grocery store, you buy over $100 worth of groceries, and 2 days later, you look inside and you don't know what to cook. I know that if I say spaghetti, these guys will get super excited.
Yay!
But I can't eat spaghetti anymore. I know if I say stir fry, exactly. So, you know what I do in that instance? I go to DairyDiary.com and I go to one of my favorite chefs, Rebecca, who, guess what, has kids as well. And then I go to my account on Dairy Diary, I click on it, and within a couple of minutes, almost instantaneously, I can get Rebecca on a live, interactive experience. Say hi, Rebecca.
Hi.
And Rebecca, you know what she's going to do? She's going to help me by looking in this fridge and finding something that you little monsters will eat. Sound good? All right, Rebecca, I've got not a whole lot in here, so I don't know what we're going to be working with. What do you guys want? Can we make some tuna salad, Rebecca, with what we got in here? All righty, we'll see. Oh, yeah? All right, thanks, Rebecca.